2022 has seen one of the largest student visa rejections ever. And before you could recover from the same, there was this huge crunch for visa slot availabilities. But last weekend, it came with all good news. Over 30,000 slots were released and many people have booked the appointments. And now it's time to be interview ready. But what are the major reasons for such rejections? What are the common mistakes that you should avoid and how you should be prepared for your visa interview? This is all what we are going to discuss in today's video. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Hello, namaste, welcome to my channel. I am Pragnya, your visa and immigration guide. If you're interested in any topics related to visa, studying abroad, working abroad, jobs abroad, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay updated. Last weekend, there was this huge release of 30,000 slots for student visas. Many people have booked their slots, many people were not able to book their slots. And in that video, in my previous video, I have already given all the details about what is the upcoming slot going to be, when is the next bulk release going to be, and when is the release going to be for all those students who had previous visa rejections. So if you have not seen that video, make sure you go and watch that first. Now coming back to this video, we are going to discuss about the 3 top reasons for student visa rejections so that you do not make that mistake and ensure that your visa is approved. The first reason of student visa rejection, or I can say the topmost reason of student visa rejection, is the lack of proper proof of funds. Yes, student visa to the US is really expensive. You need to show a lot of funds from your sponsor or that you have or any source of fund. Many people do have the fund, but the problem that the visa gets rejected is they do not show it properly. You need to show it, you need to prove it that you have those funds. So now how to prove it or how to show it? First thing, if you have got funds in your savings bank account or in your bank accounts, then you need to get those balance certificates. Your balance certificates is a certificate which shows or where the bank certifies that you have such and such amount of fund on a particular date. So it doesn't matter about when the fund has come or when it has gone away. On a particular date, you should be having sufficient funds. So whatever is your estimated expenditure or total cost for your entire program, always you should show your funds something more than that. A little bit more than that is always recommended. So get those balance certificates. Get those balance certificates of all the accounts where you are having your funds. If you are taking a loan for your education, get those loan sanction letters. Everything you need to show your fund, all the proofs, gather those and have it with you. This is very, very important during your visa interview. If you are not able to show the proofs properly, then definitely your visa is going to be rejected. So make sure you have all these proofs with you. You have all these documents related to your funds ready with you to show it during the visa interview when asked. The second top reason for rejection of your student visa is lack of intent to return. One thing first and foremost you should be clear about is that a student visa is a non-immigrant visa. That means it's a temporary visa. You go to their country, study, get the education, get some experience, and then you are expected to be back to your home country. So it is very, very important that when the VO is talking to you, when the visa officer is talking to you, you make your intent clear. Whenever they ask you about your home country or native, show your ties clearly. Say that your parents are here, your family are here, whoever it is. Make sure that you are of the intention of going there temporarily, studying and coming back to your native country. That is very important. Many students fail to express the same. They start talking about the opportunities and what they expect after coming to US. So when the VO senses that you are going there and you want to be totally settled there and you do not have any intentions of returning, this is a red flag. They are going to reject your visa. So show your intentions clearly. Make them believe that once your program is over, you intend to return back to your home country. And the third reason, this is all about improper communication. One thing, the VO is a human being. You are not going to be interviewed by bots or robots that they will take your generic answers. That is a human being, and it's very important to give a very first impression. Whenever they should look at you, they should be impressed. So first and foremost, dress crisp and nice and formal. I would like to say this for all the visa categories. You should be dressed properly. Second, communicate in English. It's highly essential. You can no doubt ask for an interpreter if you're not good in English, but this gives a very bad impression to the VO. If you're not able to communicate in English, then why will the VO expect that you will be able to go and study in English? So your visa might get rejected. So communicate in English properly. That's highly essential. And the third thing, and the most important thing, is questions. Whenever the questions are asked to you, be short, precise and nice. You should be able to communicate your answers effectively. And when I say questions, here comes one of the most important questions, or the trick question I can say, that why do you want to study in this university? So it may happen that you must have applied for several universities for several programs. Some might have rejected you, some might have accepted you. So whenever they ask questions regarding universities, be totally honest. Do not hide anything. If you have applied for 5 universities and let's say 3 universities rejected you and 2 accepted you, say it. Say it clearly that you were accepted into 2 while rejected in the 3. And when they ask that why do you want to study in this specific university, do not give the same generic robotic answer that this is a very nice college, it gives me good opportunity, very good faculty and all those things. The VO must have already heard the same answer from 100 other candidates before you. They do not want the same. They want something different. So rather than praising or putting adjectives to the college or the university, give more adjectives and importance to your program. You will want to specify that how this program offered by this university is better or more suitable to you, or is more important to you in terms of your career than similar programs offered by any other university. So emphasize on the program and how good the program is, and what other additional benefits and value addition this program is going to make for you, and what other value added activities that this college or university is going to provide you that other universities may or may not provide you. So this is how you will give an unique answer. Do a little bit of research during this, know a little background about your university, know a lot more about your program and other value addition activities, like some extracurricular activities that might be coming with it, or maybe some internship opportunities or some certifications that might be coming along with it. So gather all those information, do your research and answer this question very impressively. This is a make or a break question, I can say. If the VO is impressed about this answer, then you have definitely nailed it and you are going to get approved. So these were the top 3 reasons for rejection of a student visa to US, and also the top 3 mistakes that you should avoid. So I hope you found this video helpful and you will be able to overcome your rejections with the help of these tips. If you want more detailed information and coaching, do not hesitate to reach out to me and I will be more than happy to help you out in this regards. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.